Hey guys, so today we're going to put together a 16 patch, which is easier than it sounds. These are just 16 3.5-inch squares. That's it. Pretty simple, right? Get all the scrappiness, I pulled from my scrap bucket, and none of these collections actually go together. So all you're going to do, and it looks like I lost one. I did. Here we go, the missing piece right there. All you're going to do is sew together in a line. I'm gonna flip these around. I like laying them out so I can see what's going on. Sew them together in a line, so you can do that really quick until you have rows. And then you're going to press them one line right, one line left, back and forth, so that you can get nested seams. So I'll show you that. First, I'm going to just sew these. We're using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. If you are a new quilter, this is an awesome quilt or an awesome patch to do because it's just so simple. Here we go. You can see 2 by 2. And if you're really careful about it, you could do several at a time. I don't want to get mixed up, so I'm not going to. We're just going to do the first row so you can take a look at it. All right, these two are together. Now I'm going to put these 4 together. All right, here you go. First row done. Isn't that so cute and scrappy? So I'm gonna finish the rest of these rows and I'm gonna press it, and I'll show you how to make it go from there. Okay, I've got them all sewn, all pressed. So what we're gonna do is right sides together. So you can see I have 2 long rows here. If you're worried, you can pin these little seams together. If you're not, you can just hold them in place. You can see how I'm just holding it right there. And you can see that one of them, the seam is going left, and one of them, the seam is going right. And that just keeps it from being too bulky. Okay, these are now together. Let me just give you a sneak peek at how cute these are. That's so darling. So I'm gonna do that with the other side. Just gonna fold these 2 together, and I'm going to sew them together, matching up those seams so that they're nice and clean and close together. Okay, here's the bottom half. So now I'm going to sew these 2 halves together. See that? I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to try to match up, in particular, the very first one, and then sew right along the edge. All right, you guys, look how cute that 16-inch block, I shouldn't say 16-inch, 16 patch block is. So, and it should be about 12.5 by 12.5. So it should be a 12-inch by 12-inch block when you're done sewing it into a quilt or a pillow or a mini. So look how darling that is. Okay, if you have a chance, make sure and join my Fabric VIP. You can click on my link or go to KarinaGardner.com, and I'll see you guys soon.